What's up, guys? In this video, we will be checking out a super hidden gem that is revolutionizing mobile gaming in the Near protocol. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Realis. The link to this will be in the description of the video. It is, guys, revolutionizing the mobile game industry by being the first platform to integrate blockchain technology for mass audience adoption built on the Near protocol. All right, so by merging the best elements of traditional gaming with blockchain, DeFi, and NFT components, Realis is creating a game ecosystem where users are not just players, okay, but true owners of the platform and the games they are playing. So they are not just players, okay? They are using the platform and the games that they are also part owners of, okay? Now, with over 4 million downloads and 3.2 million registered users, Realis is standing out as a bridge between Web2 gaming platforms and the Web3 blockchain world. So the platform emphasizes simplicity, leading the players through seamless onboarding into the blockchain mechanics without requiring prior knowledge of cryptocurrency. So you do not really need to know what crypto is. You do not need to know about trading and all that. You could just play their games. All right, if that's what you want, you could go straight and play their games and, not worrying or not caring about anything else. Now, its LIS token, it is a valuable in-game currency that allows players to withdraw their earnings to real-world use. So it transforms the gaming economy. And guys, the competitive advantages of Realis is that for blockchain games, Realis is offering a free-to-play model with high conversion rates and intuitive gameplay that is encouraging mass adoption. And that is the main reason why there are millions of registered users that are utilizing and playing within the Realis network already. So Realis games such as the Crypto Cats, you have Crypto Dragons, and the newly launched Crypto Pepe, okay? So it combines engaging gameplay with blockchain utility. So the players can earn and use LIS tokens while interacting with utility-focused NFTs, which ensures a rewarding experience beyond the static JPEGs, okay? So the mission and the vision of this project, guys, is that it is committed to achieving a mass adoption through gaming, okay? So they are focused on gaming, and that is what they would like to be known for. And it creates seamless connection between the gaming world and the blockchain technology. So with a focus on the game design, the retention rates, and meaningful blockchain utility, Realis is ensuring that fun and innovation is driving the user experience. They are actually audited by Certic as well. So Realis guarantees secure transactions for all its users, which, guys, again, for me, I want a network or I want a project that is super fun, very innovative, continuously evolving, continuously, making whatever their project is to be better and better every day, every month, every week. But you cannot sacrifice the security of the users. Okay, so that is one thing that I really like about projects, and with Realis, of course, is that they are focusing on the security for this network. So with a goal of reaching 100 million installs within 5 years, Realis is setting the standard for the next generation of mobile blockchain gaming. And guys, you need to go ahead and check this one out. There's a lot of information about this in their website, and you also have their documentation right here. Okay, and this is a good place to start. Make sure that you know that you're getting yourself into. We threw a lot of different information that you can absorb. That way you could make informed decision. And of course, make sure to also follow all their social media platforms. Look at that. They have 46,000 members already with 1,300 online. That is a massive community. Look at this. Audience is already more than 3 3.2 million, 3,254,000 plus. Oh my gosh. This is something that you really need to go ahead and check out, guys. You have their social media platforms, follow them, okay? Telegram, X, and their email accounts. That way you would always be informed with whatever updates they have, with whatever, updates, giveaways, raffle, airdrops, anything and everything that talks about the project. You will always be informed. You will not miss out any important details, okay? All right, and let me go ahead and show you more things that will interest you guys with Realis. So they have more market cap and price, but much less active. This is actually my go-to in terms of my centralized exchange. I do most of my trades with Bybit, and getting listed in it's huge, guys. This is one of the biggest centralized exchanges out there. And because LIS token is listed here, it has a really unlimited potential to go ahead and head straight to the moon. And as you can see, they have the LIS USDT pair. Okay, it's very good. I mean, in terms of like the pumps, look at that, right? It's still going to go higher. I'm sure of that. This is going to be a user. So this is something that would really rank up and would get as much attention as they can, because these are play to earn, guys. This is not just your regular casual games and all that. Now, Realis already has 7 successful games on Google Play, and all of them are united by the LIS token. So the token utility is really working, guys. And this means that developers invest a lot in the game economy, which also has good prospects for the token. So recently they have added a new game mode. So they are continuing to improve their game, continuing to expand and improve all the games that they have, so they could give the users more value and utility. So go ahead and check them out, guys. Again, they are listed in Bybit. All right, so it's not going anywhere, guys. I'm hoping for 100x, not just 20x. 20x is like an understatement. It has to go up. It has to go better than that. This deserves 100x or more, guys. So go ahead and check it out. All right, so we actually checked out Realis, guys. This is a super hidden gem that you really need to go ahead and check out. Hopefully, you are making the most out of the bull run. Hopefully, you are getting much profit from this bull run. A lot of investors, a lot of traders are making millions or even billions already. Hopefully you get as much profit, or your target or your goal profit for this 2024, end it with a bang, and then start 2025 super high powered. That way you could get as much profit as well. That way we are all happy. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.